Hey guys, it's Miss Melanie. How's everybody doing? I have a book to read. It was one of mine whenever I was really little. My grandmother even wrote my name inside of it. You see that? It's called Stand Back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. Stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. I hate to alarm you, and I don't wish to harm you, my friends. I fear it's clear. Oh dear, you better stand back. I'm going to sneeze. Uh-oh. Oh no, cried the buffalo. You're so big and strong, and your trunk is so long. Your sneezes sent everyone flying along, bumping and thumping down pathway and trail, bouncing and jouncing head over tail. Tumbling and bumbling, your sneeze is a gale or a hurricane. I hate to complain, but please don't sneeze. No, please don't sneeze, cried the monkeys in the trees. You make such a breeze when you sneeze. The last time you blew us right out of the trees. The branches began to bend and to sway, and some of us landed so far away. We didn't get back until the very next day. The leaves all went whirling and tumbling and swirling, and the flowers shook for hours. The last time you sneezed, even a cough would knock some of us off. Oh, please don't sneeze. You see the monkeys in the trees? With a shriek, the parrot opened his beak. The elephant said he's going to sneeze. Oh, elephant, please, cried the birds in the trees. The last time you sneezed, we lost every feather. We didn't know whether we'd ever get back together. Every parakeet was bare as a sheet, from its head to its feet. Once more, all the whales had peacock tails, and the wings of a cockatoo were stuck on the kangaroo. You must confess, it was quite a mess, very confusing, and not too amusing. Even a sniffle made our feathers ruffle. Oh, please, don't sneeze. See all the birds in the trees? They're worried. Fly, fly, called the birds to the bees. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, no, buzzed the bees. Not a sneeze, not a sneeze. The last time, he blew us off our strings and our wings, and we had to make do with rose thorns and glue. Furthermore, what a shock, we all had to walk on our knees, if you please. And it's hard on a bee's knees while our wings grew back in. What a sin. Oh, please don't sneeze. These are all the bees. That's a lot of bees. Beware, beware, called the bees to the bear. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, please, not a sneeze, said the bear. That's not fair. I declare, the last time he sneezed, he blew off all my hair and left me so bare I spent the whole winter in long underwear. Nothing so sad as a bear that is bare. The poor giraffe, don't laugh, almost bent in half, and the alligator's snout was turned inside out the last time he sneezed. A sniff or a snuff is bad enough, but a sneeze? Oh, please don't sneeze. Goodness. I don't suppose you would hold your nose or wait a while, asked the crocodile with a sad little smile. Oh my, do try, said the fly. We wish, said the fish. You could if you would. The last time you blew off all our scales from our head to our tails, and our gills got chills. Our skin is so thin. If you do it again, we'll freeze. Oh, please don't sneeze. The zebra yelled, "Yipes, you blew off my stripes, plus lots and lots of the leopard spots. And all the snakes will be tied up in knots." The hippopotamus said, "A lot of us will fall right on our bottomus if you sneeze, so please don't sneeze." "I'm sorry, my friend," said the elephant sadly. "All about all this, I do feel badly. If I could keep from sneezing, I'd do it gladly, but I have such a twitch in my trunk and an itch, plus a lot of tickle and even a prickle. You must run, fly, and hop. I'm afraid I can't stop. I would if I could, but there's nothing to do. There's everybody running. Uh-oh. Is he gonna do it? Let me see. Let me see. Boo! Shouted a little gray mouse, jumping out of his house. He stood right up on his little tippy toes, stuck out his tongue, and wiggled his nose. "Eek!" shouted the elephant, jumping in the air. "That's a mouse. That's a mouse standing there. I must hide in a tree before he gets me, or jump in a lake, for goodness sake. Don't scare me, please spare me." Look at the little bitty mouse. The mouse laughed. "Oh, pooh. What could I do? A little thing like me to a big thing like you. I only wanted to give you a scare, and it worked for sure. You're standing there." "Elephant, I think about it, please. You completely forgot to sneeze." "Well, what do you know?" laughed the elephant. "That's so. It's astounding, confounding, as I live and breathe. I don't think I really have to sneeze." He began to giggle. "Hee hee hee. That's the funniest thing that happened to me. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho." The elephant shook from head to toe. He ho-hoed and ha-ha'd, he giggled and guffawed and shortered and cruckled, and his knees kind of buckled. Excuse me. He sat down and rolled from side to side. In fact, the elephant laughed till he cried. He laughed till the ground was quivering and shaking, and all the trees were quivering and quaking. The monkeys came tumbling out of the trees. The strings fell off every one of the bees. The stings, fell off every one of the bees. The birds' feathers went flying to goodness knows where. Uh-oh. Whoops. And all of the hair fell off of the bear. The giraffe bent in half, and the alligator's snout turned inside out. The fish lost their scales from their head to their tails. The zebra yelled, "Yipes, there goes my stripes," while the hippo went thump right on his plump you know what. Oh my goodness. Whoop. Goodness. And into a puddle the mouse went, kerplop. Then he sat up and shouted, "This was simply must stop. We're terribly glad you did not have to sneeze, but if you must laugh, laugh softly. Oh, elephant, please." The end. And that was "Stand Back," said the elephant. "I'm going to sneeze." I hope you liked it as much as I did, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.